Someone has yet to clean up the tree poop. This trail is precarious.
What's precarious?
It is somewhat dangerous, especially if you're traveling on it and there happens to be a wild creature who is holding your hand. This is where the wild things are. That's a book.
What?
Where the wild things are.
A book?
A book. You may read it. Ah! Oh, ow, that hurt. A branch was sticking out. And it slid across my hand. Ow. I don't like nature anymore. I quit.
I don't like nature either, but you gotta face it.
Yeah, it's true. We'll face it together.
I don't like those needles there.
Mm-hmm.
Those needles.
Mm-hmm. Needles. Needles.
Needles on the ground, needles in trees, needles
everywhere. Literally everywhere.
There's needles over there.
Yeah, I saw the needles.
Needles over here.
Yep. Don't want to touch the needles or trip. Or take a trip to needles. This won't be as easy to travel when we are in the middle of rainy season because it'll be very muddy. So let's enjoy it while we can.
Yeah. So much shade.
Oh yeah. Throwing so much shade. Throwing shade at nature.
So much rocks you can slip on one.
I know. Just make sure I don't, okay?
Okay.
If you see a rock, you tell me.
Okay.
I'm seeing rocks, and you're not telling me.
Rocks.
Yeah,
Rocks.
thanks.
Rocks.
Yeah,
Rocks.
it's great.
Rocks.
Just what I needed.
Rocks.
Mm-hmm.
Rocks. 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 More rocks.
This may
More
not
rocks.
end well, at least for
More
me.
rocks. Even more rocks. More rocks. More rocks. And stop.
Thank you.
We almost went down that pipe.
What?
We almost went down this hill.
It's kind of breezy today, isn't it? Well, you should be warmer when you get to the classroom. Certainly as the day wears on. One thing's for sure, this is a nicer walk to the bus stop than I had. I know I keep saying that in comparison to everything that Jedi is now accustomed to. At some point, when we're on this little path, we're going to run into somebody else and they're going to find it kind of weird that we're doing a video thing. Oh, maybe it's not so weird anymore. It used to be weird. Now everybody does the video thing. What would be weird is that I'm holding the phone in a horizontal orientation rather than vertical. Guess vertical's the thing now. Portrait. Though I don't use portrait mode video. Ooh, I could try. I think the matrix is glitching. I don't know if I like this. Everything is black and white except for me. Am I in Oz? Is that what's happening? Everything's blurry. That's what it's like to have to wear glasses. I think I'm still on the path. I think you still have a little more room to pour more creamer there at the top.
You think?
There you go.
Oh.
A little more.
You're right.
A little more.
Perfect.
A little more. Okay, now you have to drink it like the dunking birds.
The what?
You know those little things you put on your desk and the bird dips down and then back?
Yeah.
Okay, do it.
Do those still exist?
Yeah, they do now.
It's hot.
A little hot. I did not know that. You prepared this cup. I have nothing to do with it. In finishing up a roll of filaments, I decided to print out some more Imperial credits just in case they don't take Republic credits, as well as some Sabak dice. Yeah, this is a fun thing to have around because I spilled more of Diana's coffee. Yes, more, because at any given time she has like 3 mugs of flavored coffee strewn about the house, because I opened the door to the microwave to insert some food to heat up for lunch, and this mug was there. Right there. And the bowl went careening right into it, like, bam! That was a reenactment. The cleaning up, not a reenactment. I'm married to Darth Vader.
Me?
Yeah, you.
Am I Darth Vader?
Yeah, you're Darth. Did you not know what you were wearing?
No, I thought I was the Mandalorian. Does it look like a six-pack? I was wondering what this was.
It's a Darth Vader.
I thought it was like a six-pack.
No, it's not a six-pack.
Like muscles.
This pretty much confirms everything I believed. You are a Sith.
I thought these were muscle lines. Whoa.
I was telling Jedi this is precarious.
You mean you're not embarrassed?
Well, it's one way to get your steps in. Why are we hanging back?
Just hang here so we don't have to socialize.
Good plan.
When we see the bus, we'll head down.
Good plan.
Because then there's like awkward silence.
Yeah, like, as opposed to now. Here, at a safe distance, we are observing the mother bird as she perches upon her rock, awaiting the arrival for her birdling, or whatever they call little birds. She looks around, confused, wondering if the baby bird is going to come up from the ground, rather than from the elongated orange metal tube. Were you here all day? I got sent a box. It's a nice box, but I have to choose my own destiny. So, if you don't mind, I'm going to choose my own destiny. I am destined to open the box and see what's inside. I should have done this differently. Hang on, it's going to fall. I don't want it to fall. I don't want it to fall. Force FX Elite Black Series Leia Organa lightsaber. This is something that I think Jedi wants or wanted. Now, whoa! I'm a star. Wait. Oops, sorry. I'm a Star Wars. Huh? Look at that.